I'm Emma from Andimat. Today we're going to look at how to use our product Insectosec for the control of poultry mite in chickens. Everybody wants their chickens to be happy and healthy. The poultry mites feed on the chickens as they are resting, causing agitation and distress to the birds. This weakens the birds, aggravates them, and reduces egg production. Poultry mites are easy to prevent and to treat. A good, clearly visible layer of Insectosec must be applied. Cover all the boarding, the undersides of covers, perches and other places where the mites hide, such as cracks, crevices and corners. Or into their dust bath. Insectosec can be applied in the presence of animals. Insectosec is a natural, organically registered insecticide to kill poultry mites. It is approved for use in the UK and has no withholding period for consuming eggs produced by your birds. Do not inhale the product, keep out of reach of children, and do not get in the eyes, on skin or on clothing. For more information, please see the product label.